Hey, fourth grade, it's Miss Mazer. We're about to work on lesson 9. It's on page 13 in your fourth grade packet. And we're going to be modeling multi-step problems, okay? So it tells us to write an equation to represent each problem, okay? So let's look at number 1. It says the Lopez family goes to the movies. They buy 2 adult tickets for $6 each and 3 child tickets for $4 each. Write an equation to represent how much money the family spends on movie tickets, and T will represent the movie tickets. So let's underline our important information. They got 2 adult tickets for $6 each, 3 adult tickets for $4 each, and it says it wants to know how much they spent on money, on tickets. So T, how much they spent on the tickets. All right, so they had 2 adult tickets for how much? $6 each. Let me get where you can see. I'm abbreviating each EA. All right, so how could we figure out how much 2 adult tickets would be? That's right, 2 times 6. All right, then it said that they spent let's see, they got 3 child tickets for $4 each. 3 child for $4 each. All right, so we're going to need to add that to this, right? So they got 3 children's tickets, so like that's 3 groups of 4, 3 tickets for $4 each. All right, so then we just need to solve what's in the parentheses. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times 4 is 12. So it tells us to just write the equation, but let's go ahead and solve it. So T would equal $24, and we would write a complete sentence saying the Lopez family spent $24 on movie tickets. Okay, we want to be sure we write that in a complete sentence. We had 2 adult tickets at $6 each, so that's basically 2 groups of 6. 3 children's tickets at $4 each. We multiplied in the parentheses and got 12. 3 times 4 was 12, added it to get $24, and we made that into a complete sentence. All right, let's look at one more. Let's look at number 2. It tells me that Grace earns $5 each time she walks her neighbor's dog. She walks the dog 5 times in 1 week. Then she spends $7 on a book and $9 on a building set. Write an equation to represent how much money Grace has left. And that would be how much she has left we're using for M. So let's underline our important words. She earns 4 times $5 each time she walks her neighbor's dog. She walks them 5 times in 1 week. Okay, and then we know that she spends $7 on a book and $9 on a building set. And then we want to know how much Grace has left. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is the M stands for how much she has left. All right, so let's figure out how much Grace earned. All right, so how much did she earn each time she walked the dog? $5. That's right. And how many times did she walk the dog? 5 times. So we know we're going to multiply that because that's the same as saying 5 groups of 5, correct? All right. Now, it says she spent $7 on a book and $9 on a building set. If I'm spending something, am I adding to what I have or am I taking away from what I have? When I spend money, I am taking away, so I'm going to want to subtract the next part. Now, how can I figure out how much she spent? If she spent $7 on a book and $9 on a building set. That's right, I can add those 2 things together. So let me put those in parentheses. So I have the $7 that she spent on the book plus the $9 that she spent on the building set. Okay, you see how I just walked myself through that? Now that's all it's really requiring for you to have to do right now, but I do want us to go ahead and solve this. What is 5 times 5? 25, that's right. And then we're going to subtract 16 from that, right? 7 plus 9 is 16. Now what's 25 minus 16? She has $9 left. You might need to line that up like this, vertically, right? Here we go. We have 5 is smaller than the 6. The bigger number's on bottom, so I have to borrow from the 2. It becomes a 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay? So, Grace has $9 left. We always want to write it in a complete sentence. Now, we did do a little more than what they asked because they just wanted the equation. We went ahead and solved it. Probably good practice for the next thing we're doing. So there we go. All right, so I want you guys to answer numbers 3 and 4. It's all you got to do. Have your parents email that to me or send it to me via Dojo so I can turn that into your teachers. But that's it. Just do numbers 3 and 4. Good job today, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.